How about some of this? What do you think of this? Not bad? How about this? Oops, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, Thomas, you just stay like that then.